There are so many YouTube channel ideas that you can go crazy trying to find which one is the best for you. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to find a niche on YouTube so that you can start fresh in 2020. If you don't have a channel, or even if you do have a channel and you're thinking about what direction to go in, then this video is going to be for you. I'm going to give you a list of top 18 different channels that you can consider starting in 2020. And I'm also going to give you 5 key points that you need to think about before you start your YouTube channel. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, it's Alan here from the Smart Video Tactics channel. And on this channel, I help you grow your YouTube channel. So if you've clicked on this video because you're looking to learn how to improve on YouTube, then I definitely recommend that you hit that subscribe button and the bell identification icon, because I'll come out with videos 3 times a week so that you don't miss out on any of the good stuff. With that being said, let's get straight into this video. So today we're going to be talking about how to pick a niche on YouTube and what to think about when it comes to different YouTube channel ideas. So I'm going to give you this quick rundown of 5 things to consider before you pick a YouTube channel idea, and what niche you should go in and how to niche down or niche up, whatever you need to do. We'll go through a couple of different YouTube channels that are out there at the moment, and I'm going to give you a list. Now, the way I'm going to give you this list is when I publish this video, in the top comment down the bottom, I'm going to have a list of top 18 YouTube channels ideas that you can consider going into 2020. And I'm also going to post these 5 points for you to consider. Now, what are these 5 points? I'll just go to them straight away. So before you start, now, a lot of people will tell you to think about passion. And when you're thinking about starting up a YouTube channel, or you're thinking about different YouTube channel ideas, to think about something that you're passionate about. And I believe in that as well, but to a point, okay? And the passion will, if the rest of the points fall in line with the passion, then I definitely recommend that you should go with it. And what I mean by that is, if you're passionate about something, but you can't scale it or you can't make money with it, then it'd only be a hobby. If you're looking to create a business on YouTube and you're looking to make money on YouTube and you're looking to help people on YouTube and you want to do really well and you need to continue to have that motivation, then you need to consider some of the other stuff that I'm going to talk about. So passion, yes, absolutely. You want to be passionate about it and you want to enjoy it, but then you also need to have the benefit of that for yourself as well. And what we're talking about as well. So let's look at point number 2. So what content is out there? What is your competition doing? And how are you going to make it better? So when you're thinking about creating a channel, let's say it's a cooking channel or a makeup channel or an unboxing channel or a review channel, how are you going to make it better? What is your competition doing? So before you go out and create a niche or you go out and start a YouTube channel, you need to think about what competition is out there. How are you going to do this a little bit differently? And I'm going to walk you through a few channels and show you what they're doing and what you can consider. And then obviously number 3 is, what is your point of difference? What are you going to do that's different? How are you going to what's going to draw people to you every single day other than YouTubers that are already out there that have millions of subscribers potentially? Why are they going to come to your channel? Have a think about that. Then you obviously need to research how much content you can make. So you don't want to niche down too much. Let's say, for example, you're looking at starting a cooking channel and you want to do, let's say, just simple recipes using eggs. Well, how much people are going to be out there that if you're just going to be making recipes every day utilizing eggs, A, how much content can you make? And B, how much volume of audience out there? How much can YouTube push your video out there? Okay. On the same topic, if you think about cooking and you wanted to do all things cooking, all different types of dishes, all different types, then you need to be careful that you're not too broad and that one person comes one day and watches your video because they're interested in different types of dishes with fish, and then tomorrow you're making a simple keto diet recipe, something like that, along those lines. You need to kind of find happy medium, okay? And then something that's very, very important is, how are you going to monetize this channel? How are you going to make money? Are you thinking about AdSense? Are you thinking about brand deals? Are you thinking about merchandise? Are you thinking about affiliate products? There's so much to think about, and we're going to touch on a few of these in this video to give you an idea. But like I said, when I publish this video, you're going to have all these different channel ideas, and I'm also going to have this on there just for yourself to consider. So let's get into the first type of channel that you can startup or a different type of YouTube channel idea that you can start. And we're going to look at a very popular YouTuber, and these are review type videos. And review type videos do really, really well for a number of reasons, because you can make so many different videos. It's a fantastic YouTube channel idea because it never ends. Tech never ends. These types of videos will go on forever, okay? And the best part about this is if you come over to my list, okay, point of difference can be anything. The way you're unboxing it, the way you're opening it. You can do different types of reviews, okay? Monetizing is easy through Amazon. And, you know, is he passionate about it? I'm sure he is, because they're very, very simple. They're very quick videos. A lot of them are only, 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes they're 3 minutes, okay? And monetization is simple, okay? He'd make a lot of money through AdSense, and he would be making a lot of money through Amazon brand deals. Amazon sales. So anybody that clicks onto any one of these products that he reviews and purchases, he'll get a commission from it. Very, very similar to this channel, okay, as well, Unbox Therapy. So these two guys are doing very, very well in the review space. And as you can see, very simple, guys. He's got a gray background. Okay, he opens this up. His review videos are very, very good. And what you can do in all these channels, when you open them up, you can come over, when you click onto home over here, you can have a look at their video of him. I'm just going to pause that. Okay, so you can have a look at their video. Sometimes I'll talk about themselves and what the channel is about, or you can come over to here where it says about, and it's going to tell you exactly what their channel is about. So it gives you an idea, and sometimes I'll even list their point of difference. Okay, so if you're looking to start up a YouTube channel idea, or you're looking to pick a niche, review videos do really, really well. The next type of YouTube channel idea that you can think about is gaming. Now, gaming, you definitely need to be good at. It needs to be a passion of yours. You need to think about how you're going to monetize this, because a lot of these people make a lot of money through AdSense. Now, the AdSense, the CPM, which is a cost per mile, which is how much money you're going to make for every 1,000 views, isn't high with gaming channels, but the volume of views that you get is huge, okay? So if you're a gamer and you're looking to start a gaming channel, I'll definitely recommend that you have a think about this, okay? It's a lot of people make money with this. It's a trend that a lot of people are starting, especially the younger generation. And if you're in that category, then yes, this is something you can consider, and then you can branch out into something else a little bit down the track, okay? So then we move on to another YouTube channel idea, and it's fitness. Health and fitness is massive. But when if you want to start up a health and fitness channel, you need to have a think about, A, are you passionate about it? Is it something that you're involved in already? What's going to be your point of difference? How are you going to monetize? And this list becomes really, really important. Research how much content you can make. You can make a lot of content, but what is going to be your point of difference, okay? As you can see, this guy does simple home workouts, park workouts, okay? And when these guys have a lot of subscribers, okay, guys, 1.41 million subscribers, okay? And if you go over to here, you can read up about their about page and have a think about what they're doing. He doesn't really have a lot of stuff on here on his about page. All he says is that he does vlogs and stuff. I've had a look at his different videos, and it's majority all different types of workouts, okay? So that's another thing that you can consider in the health and wealth industry. If you come over to here, here's another one by T-Series. Obviously, T-Series is massive, but they're doing different workouts in the gym, which you can do as well. So, if you're a female and you want to get that summer body, then you can do different workouts that you're doing in the gym twice a week, 3 times a week, okay? And the way you'd monetize on the back of that is through different types of brand deals, AdSense. You can obviously sell merchandise. You can become an affiliate to different health products that you can put down in the description as well. So there's a number of ways that you can do it, okay? Another YouTube channel idea that you can consider is just vlogging, okay? These people do really, really well. Like, she's got 8.18 million subscribers, Alicia Marie, and all she does is all different types of vlogs every single day. Basically, she'll come out and she'll post different videos on different things that she's doing at any given time, okay? And you can check out these different types of channels. I always say that you do a lot of research and think about your point of difference and what you're going to do with your YouTube channel idea to make, obviously, money with it. And passion will only take you so far, okay? Another YouTube channel idea is cooking, guys. Cooking is huge. Again, like I mentioned before, if you come over to your videos, you want to do a channel that has possibly some point of difference as to what you're going to do. With this channel over here, Sam, the cooking guy, what he does is he will have regular live streams where he cooks as well, which is fantastic. He engages with his audience. That's something that he's obviously done for a long time, and it's a brilliant channel. He's very interactive with his audience. And if you come over to, let's go into any one of his videos. Let's just see how he's monetizing this. I mean, he could be selling barbecue sets. He could be doing a number of different things. Okay, so look at that. He's got merchandise. Okay, so he's got merchandise happening over here. He's got a whole range of different things. Check out my holiday gift guide. Okay, so watch the next video, subscribe here, merchandise. Okay, and I'm sure he could, if he wanted to, he could be selling stuff off Amazon as well. Okay, so there's a number of ways that you can monetize to make money with this as well. Okay, so if you come over to here, the last channel is a makeup channel. It's a tutorial type channel or how-to type channel. These channels do really, really well. As you can see, Nikki's got 12.3 million subscribers. Okay, this is a fantastic channel idea. All she does is just looks into the camera and she does makeup. Okay, so she's obviously a makeup artist. So if you're really good with makeup, if you know how to do nails, whatever it might be, all this type of stuff does really, really well. And on the back of this, she could make a lot of money selling merchandise. She can make a lot of money, obviously, through affiliate marketing with all these different types of brands with makeup. Okay, so there's a number of ways that you can make money online with these different channel IDs. So if you're looking to pick a niche or looking to find a niche to start your YouTube channel, definitely consider these 5 different things. Okay, it's very, very basic, but you need to have a think about long-term plan and what you're going to do and what you want to get out of your YouTube channel. Okay, guys, so that was my video for today on different YouTube channel IDs. I hope it gives you some insight. Don't forget, I'm going to post that script that I've got in there in the top comment of this video so that you have that to get. I might even put it in the description so you've got it there as well. Okay, guys, so as you know, this is a brand new channel, guys. Consider subscribing and hitting that bell identification icon so that you don't miss out on any of the good stuff. Like I said, I'll post 3 times a week. If you enjoyed the video, leave me a comment. Let me know what you enjoyed most about it and what type of channel you're thinking about starting. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Alan from Smart Video Tactics. You guys stay safe and goodbye.